Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to activate 3D Secure on your Mastercard. Uh, for now, online shopping has become increasingly popular, and with that comes the need for enhanced security measures to protect your card information. And one of the such measure is activation of 3D Secure on your Mastercard. So the mainly the Mastercard 3D Secure is much more effective than any other ways. Like before proceeding, it's important if you check your Mastercard support 3D Secure. And most Mastercard issued by reputable bank have this feature enabled by default. Uh, but you can contact your bank's customer service or check their website for more information for your specific card. So for that, first of all, you need to register for 3D Secure. And if your Mastercard supports 3D Secure, but you haven't activated it yet, you need to register for the service. So for that, you have to visit your bank's website and navigate to the 3D Secure activation page and fill in the required information, including your card details, contact information, set up a secure password or code that you will use future online transaction. So after that, you need to activate 3D Secure. Once you have registered for 3D Secure, you will receive a confirmation email or SMS from your bank. This email or message will contain further instructions on how to activate 3D Secure on your Mastercard. After that, you have to test your activation and success. Once you have successfully activated 3D Secure, it's important to test if the service is working as intended. And so for that, you have to keep an eye on out for the 3D secure prompt during checkout, where you'll be asked to enter your secure password or code. So let me give you some bonus tips for using 3D secure. Always remember to keep your secure password or code confidential and never share it to anyone. And then if you forget your secure password or code, contact your bank immediately and block the card and do the further steps. And some online merchants may not support 3D Secure, but it's always recommended to use it whenever available for added security. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.